research facility. All your behavioral data will be videotaped.
Oh my gosh,
for
chat, we have
research.
4 viewers.
Please follow the instructions throughout the process. Terminator 3000 activated.
Oh my gosh, with the balls!
Come on, run faster.
So, alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my favorite game. Welcome to Party Animals, where we actually beat the living crap out of each other. Enjoy the video. It's a freaking crocodile. Let me in. No! No!
Your IQ test is ended. Now evaluating. The overall IQ score is 228.
I'm just smart like that. Oh, it's so cute! 3D snowmobile.
Tucker! Tucker!
Whoa, what just happened?
It's me and Eli versus the streamer. Cohen, what is that?
It's a skin I just
What
got.
is
It's a freaking. It's one of the.
Wait, let me
forgot how to
remember
punch.
play.
Come here!
I found poop. How do you pick stuff up?
Oh my gosh! I knocked myself out, guys. I might die.
No! Pick up the racket! I'm just out of the map. I can't pick it up!
Come here, Tucker. Come here, Tucker. Oh, come here.
So dumb.
I can't hit
I'm
you.
just trying to pick
Just a-
stuff.
Did I win?
Yes.
Yay! Oh my gosh, stay away, stay away, stay away!
Get over
Stay away! Oh my god!
Oh no!
No, no, no! No! Tucker, freaking you!
Oh my gosh, I survived.
Freak you, Tucker. Oh no, stay away, stay away.
Why am I?
I think you just killed me.
Let's go. I did the tutorial like a year ago. It's the best picture. Perfect.
It's beautiful.
Alright.
Oh no, stay away, stay away.
Get over here! No! Hey, no, let me.
You got spooked.
Hold on! Hold on!
Tucker, where are you? Come here, Tucker. Where are you?
Ah! Wasn't me.
Come here, Tucker! Suck it, Tucker.
Hi, friend. Oh, I forgot you can look around. Run. Ow. Run.
Oh my god, no! 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 No!
No.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
No.
No! I got shot into the engine.
Fun.
No, no, Tom.
What? Get out of here. Oh no. Oh, no, no. Give me the budget!
No!
Pick up. There we go.
Yeah! Oh my god, absolutely knocked out. Eli, where are you?
Oh, Murphy.
Oh, I smirked you.
The racket. Pick up the racket. Pick up the racket. No. Watch out.
And I'm holding it behind me. I don't know how this is working. No! 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 The taser! Oh my god! I got it too! No, leave me alone. You guys suck.
That did not go to plan.
Leave me alone. Oh no! No! Oh wait, the backside. Yeah, we got this. I'm alive. No.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna die. Crap.
Uh-oh.
Come here. Tucker! Oh, poor Tucker. Tucker. Come here, Tucker. Let go of the plunger! No! No, 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 no! That was beautiful. Like high school, I think.
I think so.
Give me the taser! Yo, what?
Back on.
Ow! You just threw me? That's so mean. Ow!
Right then.
Ow! Poop him, poop him.
Why is there poop?
Ow!
I missed again!
No!
How dare you? Oh my god.
That's so brutal.
Bro! That's a bomb. Oh.
Woo! What up, Nathan? How's it going?
Just stay down. Stay down. No. Stay down. Stay down.
Oh,
I'm just standing in the same place.
let me cook.
Oh, he's on fire.
Who has a flamethrower?
Come here. Eli's on fire.
Oh my gosh! Leave me alone!
Yeah, totally. Bonk! 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 Get him! Wait, I have a rock.
No, 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 no!
No! Oh my god. Go!
Oh my god! That like is annoying. No, no, no!
Yes! Wait, I don't.
Get out of here!
Oh, I'm back.
Oh wait, you're alive?
I just smacked him so hard he died.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh! No! No! Oh my
Get out
god!
of here.
Oh my gosh!
How am I dead? You
guys got
what?
I caught myself. I woke up and caught myself before it fell off. No! My frying pan! No! Stop freezing me! No! Good job, Eli. Ow! What did I do, Eli? Let's get rid of Tucker.
No!
Hey guys, what's going on?
Ow.
Ow, Tucker! No, 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 no. Oh, it's not letting me pick up the frying pan. No! 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 No!
Not me, go fight him.
Oh, he's the one with the ice gun. Leave me alone!
No!
Get rid of the ice gun, bro. Throw him off!
Uh-oh. No! Why do I always die at the fall first? I saved you.
How did I win?
How did Cohen win that
You hit yourself the nunchucks, you stupid idiot. Okay, never mind.
one? No. My 11 will not be the best. You killed me!
Ow!
Pumpkins at us? Bring it, freak.
Oh my gosh, that's a bomb, it's a bomb, it's a bomb. Oh, that's a bad. I jumped right into the hit me. I actually killed Eli. Ow!
Go with that.
Cut it out! Who put that up there? Get that plunger out of my butt!
No, you get out of here.
Oh my gosh!
Get out of here.
Tucker.
Ow!
Get out of here!
I can't think of them. Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. We're going in.
Oh my gosh! No!
Let's go. It's even across the board. Ow! 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 My head.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, you knocked me out so bad. Oh! Come here, you bat!
What are you guys doing over here?
Ow! That hurt, bro!
Really? Yes! I'm dead. God damn. That was so close the whole way. That was pretty cool. Beat him up. Wait, no.
Throw him. You like hit me when I jumped, I flew, hit the pillar, and I fell down and slammed on my head. Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, bye. Alright, bye.
Tucker, you need to edit listen to a video now.
Bye, stream.
Bye, stream!
Well.
See you, nerds.
Oh my gosh. No, you are not invisible.
Oh,